evening, Eastview. We have missed you the past 2 weeks and we're very excited to welcome you back to distance learning tomorrow morning. We plan to help you learn the very best we can to provide the same level of support we always have. Our purpose for teaching and learning and student support remain the same. We're just achieving them in a different way. Your teachers will continue to be available each school day from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you can reach out to them anytime to communicate with them. Also, each teacher will post 3 special virtual office hours on Schoology each day, and you can reach out to them during that time and expect a timely response. Remember to check into your Schoology account every school day to look for your learning expectations from each of your classes from each of your teachers. They will have all new learning posted by 9:30 a.m. Beginning Tuesday, you will also be expected to access your Period 3 class on Schoology to respond to a daily check-in assignment. You must do this between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. each day. This is how we will take your attendance, and once this is completed, this will be considered and reported as a full day of attendance. You only need to do this in your Period 3 class one time a day between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Eastview, you will be awesome, and you've got this. You may reach out to any teacher, counselor, administrator at any time with any questions. We are here to help. As we begin this new way of learning, we will work together to keep our focus on care and support for each other as we learn and remain connected in a new way. Take care, Eastview. Stay healthy. We are home together.